Hi, I'm Monica, also known as Mom's Makeup on Instagram, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create this look by using my favorite brand, Elcie. First, I'll be using the Hydra Enhancer. This helps me moisture my face, and I also love the smell of the jasmine. Before I start to do anything, I would let it really soak it in. Next step will be the Glow Enhancer. This is actually one of my favorite dry oils. I'll be starting with the T-zone and then working my way through. Just really setting it in there, down to my neck a little bit. Next, I'll be priming my skin using the Pearl Radiance. I'll take a few pumps again. Really set it in. And I love the way this smells too. Next step is the Elcie Micro Foundations. These I like to mix a few drops of the vanilla and then also another drop of warm ivory. And what I like to do with the sponge, I like to actually spray it with the Hydra Enhancer. I don't like to get it that wet. And you don't necessarily have to get it all over your face, just to cover what you like. I like to cover the red spots on my face, and see how this perfectly matches my skin tone. I'm not even finished yet, but how wonderful is that cover? You guys, this foundation really is something else. And there are 12 different shades for every skin color. And then what I like to do is just another pump of vanilla to highlight my face, sort of. And then I mix concealer with it. I love this sponge. It's absolutely amazing. What it does is I can use the other pointy edge to get it really around my eye. To sculpt my face, I'll be using another darker color. It's the Golden Tan. It's actually going to give me that nice warm tone. You guys, I'm so excited to have my very own set of Elcie brushes. These brushes are seriously fantastic. Like, they are so soft, and really truly the quality is something different. So now I'll be sculpting my face using the Golden Tan, and this is going to give me a nice warmth to my skin. I'll be using the F9 brush by Elcie. I'm going to work it into the brush like this and start at the hairline, work my way down to the cheekbone and down the jawline. So like a 3. And then same step the other side. Start at the hairline, down under the cheekbone and the jawline. Since this foundation has a matte finish, I really don't have to use setting powders and to bake my face or anything like that. I'll be using the Elcie bronzer in the shade Tan. I'm going to take my F8 brush and then again in my hairline, down to the cheekbone, under the jawline. It gives me that really nice tan look that I like. And then with the other shade, I'll be taking my F7 brush And with the shade Light, I'll just kind of bronze my face up a little bit. Now, one of the fun parts is creating a look with the minimalist. I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite eye looks. It's like a nice, natural, brownish kind of smoked out look. First, I'll be using some eye primer. Fingers are always my best tools. I'll be taking the L13 brush. I'm going to dip it into the color brown. Also mix a little bit black. And what I'm going to do with that is create a nice little wing. And also underneath the eye. Again, you can play around with your fingers. And this kind of shapes my eye. It gives me that catty look that I like. And then I'm going to use E5 brush. With the E5, I'll be dipping into the brown and the black, mixing them together, and sort of smoking this out. Like this, not too much. And then I'm going to take my E3 brush. With the E3, I'm going to use the color Tan, mix it with the minimalist brown, and I'll be blending this color like this. And we have that. I'll be blending in more to give it a more bronzy look. And to blend this out more, I'll be using the E1 brush. And I'll be actually using the bronzer as a shadow. I love doing that. And I'm going to blend this out just like that. So this bronzer you can use for many different things. Your eyes, to bronze up your face, your cheeks, contour, everything. I also like to smoke out my eyes underneath with the tan color using the same E5. And I'll dip it into the bronzer and the warmth and brown. Highlight under my, smoke out under my eye. To really give my eye that really nice black, instead of using a gel liner or pencil, I'll be using the blackout with the E6 brush right underneath my lash line and where my wing is. I'll use a little bit black to get that darker look. Alright guys, now what's really gonna make this look fun and pop out my eyes, I'm gonna use the Elcie Jewels. in Topaz. How amazing is that? Yeah, I love that color. And then I'll be taking my E1 brush again with the bronzer. I'm gonna blend a little bit more, give it a nicer, darker color. More golden. You can, like, if you wanted to make this look more darker, you can use a gel liner or an eyeliner, but I don't like to. And what I'm going to do next is, I am super excited about this. This is actually gonna really change my look. I'm gonna use one of my favorite mascaras. Actually, this just launched and it's become my favorite mascara. It's the Lash Pull Mascara by Elcie. And this stuff is really incredible. I'm trying not to make that mascara face. Check this out. It looks like I have lashes on. I'm not even going to do individuals, actually. Okay, now watch the bottom. Yeah, I have to make the face. My eyelashes have never, like, looked this long with just mascara. I was actually going to use some of my favorite individuals, but I'm not even going to. And my next and favorite part is the eyebrows, since I'm an eyebrow specialist as well. I'll be using the Minimalist In Depth to fill in my eyebrows. Just gonna brush it through like this from the top. I don't like to put too much product into my eyebrows. This shadow and the color, it's just enough. Seriously, this brush is something else. And then I'm gonna be taking the E2 brush and using the blank start from the Minimalist to kind of button up underneath my brow. I'll be using the bronzer in dark just to get more of this to sculpt my face just a little bit more. And then I'll just use a little bit of highlighter with the funnest brush, the fan brush. I'll spray the brush once with the Hydro Enhancer, or twice, and just sort of highlight my face underneath my brow bone. And to conclude this look, I'll be doing my lips. I'm going to take the E5 brush, take one of any lip liner that you like. I chose this natural color. And I don't like to wear too much lipsticks. And I'm just gonna, I took the Glow Enhancer. Slightly, I'm going to do this with my finger and mix in the lip liner. With my fingers. And I'll finish it off with another spray just to, I love that smell. I always use a fan. I like my handy fan. Alright, you guys, thank you for tuning in. This was the final look. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll check you guys out next time.